Hello and welcome to lasa.africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our BLA 5ST shelf. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 4 parts number E, our feet, and 4 parts number B, our poles. Let's go ahead and assemble. Taking a look at our first step, when you open up the packaging, please remove and discard the protective covers that are on the shelves themselves. Next, on part B, you'll see there are inserts here. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts of our F. F comprises of a 2-piece, like that. Let's assemble. Having a look at our posts number B, you'll see there are inserts here to adjust your height using F.
When assembling, you'll notice there are multiple ridges here. This allows you to adjust the shelf height to your desired height. Can be moved up or down. Ensure that all are the same when installing.
For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part A and our previous assembly. Let's assemble now. This is the shelf, this is the bottom. We'll insert like such. And then press down firmly. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts number C. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing parts F again. Our sets, we'll need 4 sets of F. Again, looking at our double line split here, you'll notice on the new section of C, we'll be adding it on this one here. 1 line just above it. Again, these can be adjusted to your preference. For our next step, we'll be needing another part A. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts C again. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing our sets of F again. Let's assemble. We'll continue on now to put part A. You'll have noticed we've adjusted our height range to make them more symmetrical. Next, we'll continue on with our clips number F, our sets. We'll be going on top here. Next, we'll install our shelf A. Next, we'll be installing D and sets of our F again. Let's install. Next, we'll be doing another shelf A. Next, we'll take 5 Gs and 1 H and install. Let's assemble. For our last step, we'll be needing our anti-tipping. Please refer to our user manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our BLA 5SD shelf. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and products. Thank you.